वेलकम टू बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं महेश कुमार, आप देख रहे हो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो के मेगा ऑडिशन के स्पीच कंपटीशन को लेकर आज हमारी टीम पहुंची है डीएस प्रोग्रेसिव स्कूल ओमेक्स सिटी फेस 1 में। देखने वाला रहेगा कैसे रहने वाला है आज डीएस प्रोग्रेसिव स्कूल के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन। जिस भी बच्चे की स्पीच आपको अच्छी लगे उसके लिए वोट जरूर करें। केवल सब्सक्राइबर ही वोट कर सकते हैं, तो पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बाद वोट करें। जिस बच्चे की जितनी ज़्यादा वोट होंगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी रैंक होगी, और जिस बच्चे की जितनी अच्छी रैंक होगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी। आइए देखते हैं कैसा रहने वाला है डीएस प्रोग्रेसिव स्कूल ओमेक्स सिटी फेस 1 के बच्चों का स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन।
Morning, respected principal ma'am, learned teachers and my all dear friends. Today I am Gunjan Sharma, student of class 7. My school name is DS Progressive School. Standing here to present our speech on value of discipline. In school, if boys are not disciplined, the boys themselves will learn nothing, and the very purpose of education will be defeated. Similarly, if the subordinates do not obey their senior officers in offices and factories, it will become difficult to carry on the work of production and administration. The office goers should maintain discipline and reach office in time. They are expected to complete their assignment within the allotted time. The country will not succeed if its public servants are not disciplined. There will be no plan and no organization. Similarly, if the army and police refuse to carry out the orders of their general and commanders, the enemy and hooligans have no difficulty to establishing their sway in the country. Thus, an undisciplined country cannot expect to remain independent even for a moment. Even in minor spheres such as the home and the playground, people cannot do without discipline. If there be no discipline in the family, all the members of family will go their own way. Then there is no peace and no order in the family. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers and my all dear friends, I am Riya of class 7. My school name is DS Progressive School. I am here to give a speech on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5 globally. It is day on which we spread awareness about the environment and need to conserve it. Moreover, it is nature to conserve it. It is quite and simple as when we conserve the environment. World Environment Day is perfect opportunity to make people aware. In the end, I want to say that the future generation will be able to lead a healthier life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Morning all of you. Respected principal sir, learned teachers and my dear friends. Today my name is Nishi Bhadra, student of class 7. My school name is DS Progressive School. Standing here to present a speech on topic of National Flag of India. The National Flag of India was adopted on 22nd of July, some days before the independence of India on 15th of August in 1947. The national flag contains 3 colors and thus also called as the Tiranga. The uppermost saffron color indicates the sacrifice and selflessness. The middle white color indicates truth, peace and purity, and the lowermost green color indicates the youth and energy. The middle white color contains a navy blue color Ashok Chakra which have 24 equal spokes. Our national flag is a symbol of freedom, pride, unity and honor. Ashok Chakra indicates the real victory of honesty and justice. Our national flag teaches the lesson of unity, peace and humanity. It is hosted every year by the Prime Minister of India on 15th of August at the Red Fort and by the President of India on 26th of January at the Rajpath. Our national flag is made up of khadi cloth, a handmade cloth initiated by Mahatma Gandhi. It is preferred in our country to fly a national flag made up of cloth other than khadi. Thank you.
Principal ma'am, learned teachers and my dear friends, my name is Sia, student of class 7th and my school name is DS Progressive School. Stand before you all to speak on a topic, Make in India. Make in India is the campaign launched by the PM Narendra Modi to facilitate all the big business investors worldwide who want to do business in India. This program was launched in 2014 on 25th of September by the PM at the Vijay Bhavan in New Delhi. It is a big step taken by the government of India to reduce the level of unemployment faced by the youth of the country. This campaign was launched a day after the Mars mission when the PM was to go on his first visit to the USA. The aim of launching this campaign in India is to make India world-level manufacturing powerhouse, which will definitely help in solving the biggest issue of Indian economy. In the last, I just want to say this initiative was launched with new deals for foreign investors successfully in New Delhi with the top industrialists of India, including Mukesh Ambani, Reliance Industries chairman, etc. Thank you.